Another thing to note is that you can see that I'm walking forwards as I'm building the wall. You don't want to be walking backwards because obvious reasons for potential tripping as you're trying to walk backwards, plus walking forwards just makes things, everything a lot easier. Here I'm making a wall partition, so I'm using a 2x4 as the plate was laid out. Sometimes it'll be 2x6 or sometimes 2x4. When you're building exterior walls, you can see that there's going to be a gap between the corner I built for the wall partition, about a 2-inch gap, so that later on insulators can stuff insulation in between, in behind the corner partition, and that way it doesn't leave a dry pocket for rot, and it's also properly insulated. Now that you have all of these studs nailed through the bottom plate, you can proceed with the top. Again, working from the end so that you're always walking forwards and not backwards. Another tip I would like to mention is that when you're building walls or doing anything with a pneumatic nailer, never ever keep your finger on the trigger, because if you keep your finger on the trigger, you greatly increase your risk of shooting yourself with a nail, either in the hand, the arm, the leg, or even the foot. As you're nailing, if you notice that the plate is twisting a little bit, make sure to use your hammer and hammer the plate tight so that the plate is tight to the top of all the studs and that there's no gaps.